Meaning of George M. Cohan.
George M. Cohan.
George M. Cohan.
George M. Cohan.
George M. Cohan. George M. Cohan was an American entertainer, playwright, composer, lyricist, actor, singer, dancer, and producer. Born on July 3, 1878, he is known as the father of American musical comedy. He created over 50 Broadway shows and composed hundreds of songs, including Yankee Doodle Dandy and Give My Regards to Broadway. Cohan's contributions to American theater have had a lasting impact, with his style and influence still evident in modern musicals. He was inducted into the Songwriters Hall of Fame in 1970, and his legacy continues to be celebrated today.